giving.
It's so giving.
It's giving.
Giving.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Keeping Up with MJ and I'm MJ, and today's video I actually wanted to share a couple things with you, kind of catch you up on what's going on and just have a little fun chit chat. So I actually have a PR package that I wanted to open with you. It's from Miss Lola. Never ordered anything from Miss Lola before, so this is my very first package, so I'm excited to see the quality of the products and share that with you. I also wanted to sneak in a little bit from an influencer event that I went to, hosted by Radio Rockettes. If you don't know who the Radio Rockettes are, I'm going to plug it in right here for you so you can know what I'm talking about. But I was invited to an influencer event and I went solo dolo. If you know anything about influencer events, you know you want to go with somebody. But for the past few times, I've went with me, myself, and I, and it's been a pretty good experience. When you go by yourself, it allows you to branch out, get out of your comfort zone, get a little vulnerable, and just like meet new people. So I appreciate that about it. I think I'm gonna throw in a couple of my favorite things that I've gotten recently, just to make the video more fun. And yeah, that's about it for this video. I also wanted to share some creator tips, but I'm trying to think if I should make a separate video sharing some creative tips, like how to get invited to influencer events, how to get on PR lists, how to send brand pitch emails out. I think I'm going to do a separate video for that. I'm not going to add it here, so stay tuned for that video because that's coming next. Alright, so they wasn't playing when he reached out, and they allowed me to pick my own stuff. Alright, so this is the box. And I'm gonna show you guys what I chose. So come in these little baggies. The first thing I got is these mesh flats. I think they're like ballet flats. I'm not gonna lie, I'm a ballet flat girly. At first I thought it was not gonna fit me, like my style, my aesthetic. But since I got the ones from Steve Madden with the rhinestones, I was like, you know what? I think I like this trend. Super breathable, super easy to walk in, comfy. I did try them on, so I do know that they are comfortable and they look large. I'm a tall-ish girly and I got big feet, so it is what it is. It's a size 10, but I guarantee you, when you see me wear my shoes, it doesn't look like I'm a size 10, so that's okay. It fits my body. Second thing I chose, let's see, a nude blazer. It's kind of oversized. I'm actually going to pop a picture up so you can see what I'm actually showing you. So it's actually kind of oversized. It feels very soft. I was not expecting this material. Let me see, what material is this? 98% polyester, 2% spandex. Actually very soft, and I can already tell it's gonna be oversized on me, and I love that because I like to roll up my sleeves and give the girl a look. Okay, I would rate this from first impression. I would rate it I would give it a 7 out of 10 just because it didn't meet my expectation of what I thought the material was going to be. But quality wise, I would give it a 10 out of 10. Alright, next up, I chose a 2-piece set. Get this a size bigger. I sized up. I don't know why, but I feel like sizing up on this would be a good look for me. Just because I like to rewear my sets different ways. And the bottom also has it's not fringe, sorry, it's that I feel like you could sleep in it and you can wear it out. Like, it serves two purposes. I would rate that, because it feels so soft, I would give it a 9 out of 10. I took 1 point off because it is a little thin, but that's good because you don't want your pajamas, thick. But at the same time it's soft, so maybe I could just give it a 10. Maybe I'm just being a little extra, but yeah. So I love me a white flowy dress, especially in the sun, because it just does what it needs to do. And do you see the details on this one? I'm gonna pop a picture up, but the details just get me. Like the backless. Oh yeah, she's definitely gonna be a vibe. We're just going away, and I think I'm gonna take this with me to wear while we're out there. So stay tuned. You're gonna get some content on that. Definitely giving 10s across the board. I also chose these mules, cheetah mules. I don't know, lately I've been into prints like cheetah and like snake print. I don't know why, but I chose this one because I thought it was so cute. You know that fresh like shoe smell? That's what I'm getting right now.
It's good.
Let me try it on.
What shoes?
Oh, it's giving.
It's so gaming.
It's giving.
Gaming.
Here you go. Last but not least, I chose these slippers. Let me take this. These chunky sandals, they feel a little hard, but I'm not gonna judge a book by its cover. I'm gonna actually wear it out for the day and let you guys know how it goes. So I'm gonna actually do a part 2 of this video, just styling it and showing you guys what it looks like. I couldn't actually style it today because I forgot my tripod at my sister's house and I don't have a backup tripod. Right now I only have the tripod for my light and I'm using my camera for that, so I can't really do the styling video part like I usually would do. So we just gonna have to work with what we got, and I'm gonna do a part 2. So I'm definitely gonna review this, let you guys know if it's comfortable, if you can last all day wearing it. Let me give you guys another look at it. It's very, very cute, and I'm here for it. Alright, so that's all for the Miss Lola haul. So that was 6 pieces. It was 3 shoes, the set, the blazer, and the dress. So I literally cannot wait to wear them. The next part of my video, I went to an influencer event hosted by the Radio City Rockettes, and when I got there, they gave me this tote, and I got to fill it with a bunch of goodies that they had at the event. So a little backstory, I got to the event a little late, so I didn't get to get my name embroidered on the bag, and that would have been super dope. But this bag is from LL Bean, and I'll tell you, the quality is so good. I'm gonna be wearing this on a regular, but I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna insert some clips that I took when I got to the event, even though I was late. But I'm gonna plug those in, and I'm gonna show you right now what I got in the bag. Yeah, I'm extremely late, but I'm just gonna show my face. So let's go. So I just left the event. It was really so fun. Even though I got there late, it was a lot to do. This hot chocolate mix. Also got this. And oh Lord, I gotta get some more. It smells divine. Guys, believe the hype, okay? Sounds like way. O-U-A-I. So bomb. They gave this. Let me give it to my daughter because she's repeating everything I'm saying. Here. I have 2 of them. That's why I gave for that one. Luxury products right here. I'm cherishing these products because they are so good and they're perfect for a self-care day. And they also gave these as well. And one thing that I regret is not grabbing more of these because these are $10 a pop. and they had so much of these left over. I could have grabbed as many as I wanted, but I was being too shy. But girl, next time. But I got these. They also had the Tower 28 Daily Rescue Facial Spray. I already have like 2 of these already because I'm on Tower 28's PR list. And they also gave a bunch of EOS products. I don't even use EOS products like I used to before. You know, they had that little bowl lip balm back in the days. I don't know. I just like stopped using the products, but they gave me so much of EOS products. Like I just took it just to see what it's. Ooh, one of them were open, but I just took it just to see what it's really about, if it's actually good. I'm actually so glad that I went because I still got a lot of goodies in there, so still a win-win, you know what I mean? Also collaborated with Giorgio Armani or Armani Beauty, and I got these 3 new blushes. They don't have names, it's just numbers. I'm gonna put it in the description box, but by the time I upload this, I would already posted the sponsored video, so I'm just gonna plug it in here. If I upload this before I post the sponsored video, I'm probably not gonna insert it, but yeah.
I don't know about y'all, but when I get something new, I get excited. Here we have 3 new blushes from Armani Beauty, and I wanted to try it on with you guys right now. This is their Luminous Silk Cheek Tint, and if you know anything about Armani Beauty, you know their products go on really smooth and it gives a natural finish. This is no different. It has a 12-hour wear, and it's just so easy to blend, and we love a natural glow over here. Let me know which one is your favorite.
My favorite shade is actually the plum color, and this is number 65, and they go on so smooth. I'm a blush girl, so I know my blushes. I already have the Luminous Silk foundation, so I'm wondering if I should try doing a full face with Armani Beauty, because I also have their other blush, the powder blush, and those blushes are also very cute. Definitely recommended for the brown and the black girlies, okay? Love, love, love these. The very last thing I'm going to open for you guys, and then I'm going to end the video. But this is from Tower 28. They sent me some PR. Again, I don't have to make videos when I get PR, because PR, you do not have to make videos for them. It's just the brand sending you products to try out. But I wanted to share with you guys since I'm already here sitting down. So let's do it. Let's see what they got, what they sent me. And also with PR, you don't know what they're sending because it's kind of like a surprise gift. I never take that for granted. Like, the brand thought of me to send me some products, and I appreciate that. Look at that representation, the dark skin girly. I love this. Yes, you have to actually break it. Oh, they're getting creative. I don't know if I want to open this up anymore because I want to break it and actually film a video of me breaking it. I'm going to make that into a short. So just stay tuned for the short where I show you this, me unboxing this, because it's, if you're a content creator, then you understand. But I could repurpose this content in so many ways on YouTube Shorts, on Instagram, and on TikTok versus just doing this one video right here. So see, that's more creative tips. Like, in the next video, I'm gonna share more about that. Please follow me on my socials and support me. Love you guys. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.